Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all with me today, lovelies. We are making ekuru. We also call it ofuloju. Some people call it white moi moi. If you have tried moi moi and you love it, this one is also a must for you to try, and you are going to love it. Lovelies, are you first timer here? Thanks for coming. Please leave a comment, like and share. Thank you to all my supporters. God bless you all. Shout out to Oyebisi Fakeye Ogudare. Thanks for liking our recipes. Guys, that is it. My peeled beans that I'll be using today. You need to peel your beans, pour it into a blender, add some water for easy blending, and blend till smooth. After blending, just like moi moi, pour it into a bowl. You can just use water to rinse your blender, pour it into it. Please don't add anything to this. That is the difference for moi moi. No salt, no pepper, no onions. Now get a leaf, a big one and a small leaf on top of it. It's now time to fold it gently like this. Look at it. See how it goes? You fold the right side, cover with the left side, and you bend it down of it. You see, it's now ready. You just need to scoop the mixture of the blended beans into it now. Your ekuru mix. Yes, that's what I call it. Pour it into it, and it's now time to cover it again. You press the right side in and you cover it with the left side and fold the top again. Voila, that is it. At this stage, you can put the stick of the leaf or some leaf at the down of your pot if you have enough of it. Sorry, I didn't do that. I was not having enough leaves, okay? And then you pour hot water on top of the stick or the leaf under your pot. So that's how it continues. Repeat the same process. You place it into the pot. That is it. The second time I'm showing you the way to fold your ekuru. Simple as ABC. So it's now time to place in the pot, cover and cook till done. Now let's move on to the pepper. My God, this pepper is very important as well. Okay, I'll be using Tatashe, green Tatashe, red Tatashe, onions, and Habanero pepper. It is not a must that you use green Tatashe, all right? It's because I was not having enough red pepper at home. I used what I have and I blended it just roughly. Look at it. Don't let it be smoothly blended. No, it has to be roughly blended. Yes. So pour your palm oil into the pot you'll be using. Heat up the oil. Add the roughly blended pepper mix into the oil. Mix it well and fry. You can just fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right. After that, add seasoning into it. Add your locust beans. Add salt. Add your dried fish as well. And I'll be using boiled turkey. This is boiled turkey, and I just cut it to that small pieces like that, so that I will just take one and it will pass into the mouth direct like that. It's now time to fry or simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, just for everything to become one. Look at it. You can see the oil floating on top of the sauce already. So it's now time to add some crayfish powder into it to boost the flavor and the taste. Oh, lovely. This is what I have. That is the pepper atadidin, our sauce. It is ready for the ekuru. Now let's check the ekuru. Look at it. You cook this ekuru exactly the same way you cook moi moi. It is not different. They are the same when it comes to boiling or cooking of it. Now let's check it out. You have to allow it to cool down a bit and you serve with that stew. That's your atadidin. Now look at this. Lovely. Don't you like what you're looking at? Don't you like what you're seeing? Let me wash my hands. You don't need a fork or spoon to eat this. You need your hands. Wash your hands and scatter it. Scatter it and mix everything together with the pepper atadidin. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and comment. Love you all. Bye bye.